In this video, let me share with you how to compress a PDF file. For example, if you come to my computer here, you will notice that I have about 3 PDF files in this particular folder. This one is about 979 kilobytes, while this is 520 kilobytes. We are going to work with these two files, although they are not that big in size, but let's just use them for this practice. So we are going to use about 2 different free tools to do this. Do not skip this video and also watch till the end so that you will not miss anything. The very first tool we are going to use is known as Small PDF. You can type direct the URL of Small PDF as shown here, although I will also put it in the description box. So the next thing you will do once you get to this platform is to click on this tab that shows compress. Once you click on it, it will bring out this place for you to choose your file. So I'm going to choose my file from here. You can also drag and drop it here if you wish to. So let me click on this button. Then from here, you will see our files. Remember, we said that this one is 979 kilobytes. Let me choose this. Then I will click on open button. So immediately I do that, the Small PDF tool will start to upload this file. So after the uploading process, you are now presented with this interface. As you can see, we have basic for medium file size. We also have strong for small file size. But for this option, you will have to be a subscriber in order to use this. So let's just use this, and then I will have to click on compress button. Once I click on it, it will start to compress, and at the end, it will tell me that it is already done. So remember, it was 979 kilobytes. Our file size is now 396 kilobytes, meaning that we gain 60%. So the file is now 60% smaller. Let us download it. So I'll click on download button, and it will start to download here. So I will go to the file location, that is download folder, and bring it to the file location where the initial file is. So I have just copied the file. Let me paste it. Look at the file here. The initial one is 979 kilobytes, while this particular one is 386 kilobytes. Have you seen how we succeeded in compressing the size of this PDF file? I hope you got the steps. Please subscribe to my channel in order to support me. Now, let us do the second step. The tool we are going to use for this second step is known as PDF Gear. You can download the PDF Gear free of charge. I will also put the link in the description box below. Once you download, install, and launch PDF Gear, the next thing you are going to do is to come to this button that says Compress PDF. So I will click on it. Then click on this Add File. So from here, I will then choose the file that I want to add. Remember this one, Igbo Calendar 2024. Of course, we have this file and it is for sale. You can get it in the store portion of our website. I will put the link in the description box. It is 520 kilobytes. Let us add it. The file has been added. The next thing is for us to compress it. So I will click on this compress button. So the compressing is in progress and the process is now completed. Look at the file. Look at it here. It is now 250 instead of initial 520. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel as a way of supporting me. If you would like to learn how to convert PDF file to a Word document, the video is popping up now. Until next time, keep learning.